Hello, dear friends. It's Olga Lazar again with you, one of the co-founders of the company Mihi. I am also an associate professor in the Department of Anesthesiology and have been teaching young specialists at Emory Hospital in Atlanta for over 25 years. Today, we will talk about a topic that is not commonly discussed: menopause. Sudden hot flashes, frequent mood swings, and the feeling of exhaustion setting in from the very morning? Yes, during this period of natural bodily adjustment, this is familiar to most women. During the period of natural restructuring of the body, the resources of the nervous system and metabolism are depleted more quickly. Ordinary rest becomes insufficient to restore balance. To achieve this, Mihi has created Menopause Complex, a balanced herbal formula with 24 active components to support your resources and well-being every day. The formula is based on powerful adaptogens and antioxidants. Siberian ginseng and Rhodiola rosea help the body adapt to stress and maintain endurance. Vitamin C protects cells from oxidative stress and contributes to the normal formation of collagen. The formula is enhanced with Ginkgo biloba extract for supporting mental clarity, flaxseed powder, as well as a complete complex of vitamins and minerals, zinc, selenium, iron, and B vitamins. As a result, a feeling of stable energy, support for emotional balance, a fresh appearance, and harmony for every day. It's very simple to take. 1 capsule a day in the first half of the day. For maximum energy and mitochondrial support, we recommend taking this vitamin complex alongside coenzyme Q10. Discover harmony and support with Mihi.